Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to introduce yourself in English. This is one of the most common things that we do every day, but it can be very difficult if you do not know what to say or how to say it. So in this lesson, I'll show you all the steps from the very basic level to the advanced level. If you are new here, hi, my name is Maddie, and on this channel I teach you English step by step. So before starting, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. Now, let's get started with our lesson. The first thing you should say when you meet someone for the first time is hi, and then you should say your name. For example, hi, my name is Maddie. When you say your name, remember to pronounce it clearly and also to make eye contact with the other person because this shows that you are confident and also that you are interested in them. Another thing you can say is, "It's nice to meet you," or "nice to meet you." We use this expression to tell someone that we are pleased to have met them. You can use it in any formal or informal situation. And don't forget to say it with a smile. After saying these two basic phrases, you need to provide some more information about yourself. You can start with your family name. For example, "My last name is Smith," or "My last name is Johnson." You could also mention your age, like, "I'm 25 years old," or "I'm a 25-year-old student at a university." Or maybe you're not a student, but you work at a company. In this case, you can say something like, "I'm an office worker at a big company." Now imagine that you've just met a group of people. What can you say in this situation? Well, in this case, you should say, "Nice to meet you all," or "Nice to meet you all." This is a good way to show that you are friendly and also that you are confident. Another thing you can say is, "What's your name?" If someone asks you this question, they want to know who you are. So you need to answer their question with "My name is," and then give your name. For example, "My name is Peter Jones." This is a polite and respectful way to respond to someone who asks you for your name. But what if you want to ask someone their name? Well, in this case, you can say, "What's your name?" or "What's your name?" This is a casual way to ask someone their name. It is appropriate to use this phrase with people you don't know well, such as acquaintances or people you meet for the first time. If you want to learn how to introduce two people in English, there are also some useful expressions you can use. For example, "Let me introduce you to a friend of mine," or "Let me introduce you to a friend of mine." With these phrases, you can introduce two people and let them know that they have something in common. And what if you want to compliment someone while introducing yourself? Well, in this case, you can say something like, "Hi, it's nice to meet you. I love your dress." Or, "Hi, it's nice to meet you. You look very nice today." These are good ways to compliment someone while introducing yourself. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something new. Remember to like and share this video with your friends if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. See you next time.